Let us understand the construction and working of vernier calipers. It has the main scale and the vernier scale, which is the movable scale having 10 divisions. Upper jaws to calculate the inner diameter and the lower jaws to calculate the external diameter. It has got a stem, which is also called a metallic strip, which is used to measure the length or the depth or the height of any object. Now the object whose external diameter is to be calculated is fitted between the lower jaws. Before moving ahead, let us understand what is least count of vernier calipers. It is the value of one main scale division to the total number of divisions on vernier scale. As we know that value of one main scale division is 1 mm and total number of divisions on the vernier will be 10. So least count will be 0.1 mm or 0.01 centimeter. Now where 0 of vernier is coinciding on the main scale, that becomes the main scale reading. Here it is 2.4. And we need to check now the best division which directly coincides with the main scale, which is forming a straight line. Here it is the 7th division. So as per our observation table, main scale reading will be 2.4 centimeter and the best coinciding line was the 7th one. So 7th multiplied by 0.01 centimeter gives 2.4 plus 0.07, which comes to 2.47 centimeter, which is external diameter of the object.